Hey guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. My name is Lara Savage. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe to the channel. Hit the bell button so that you can get notified whenever I post any amazing video like this. So in our YouTube food community, we have this theme for every month, and this month is hashtag cleaning hacks. So I decided to make this amazing tutorial so that you guys can see how to clean your pots in a realistic way. So I'm going to show you guys the before and after and how you can get it to look amazing and sparkling clean. So let's just get into it. For this, you're going to be needing your dishwashing soap. I'm using Morning Fresh in my case. You're going to also need water, baking soda, and salt. Now guys, whatever measurement you're using for your dishwashing soap, you must use the same amount for the water. So guys, I'll be using 1 cup of dishwashing soap. So this is half cup. I'm going to just add 1 more to it to make it 1 cup. And then I'm going to pour exactly that same amount of water that I used for the dishwashing soap. So the same 1 cup of water, I'm going to use it for this hack. Now I'm going to take 1 tablespoon of baking soda. Guys, baking soda, not baking powder, baking soda. And then 1 tablespoon of salt. So can you guys see? Whatever measurement you're using for your baking soda, that's the same measurement you're also using for your salt. Now I'm going to just mix it together till it turns to this color. So till everything melts basically. So right here, I'm just scraping the Morning Fresh from the cup basically so that I won't waste anything, so that I'll have my correct measurement. And once it's mixed already, I'm going to take a bottle and then I'm going to pour it into it. Now guys, here is the pot I want to clean. You guys can see it needs help, so that's what I'm using for this particular experiment. Now I didn't mention this is the first time I'm using this particular method, so we're testing it out together. So guys, I poured some of the mixture on it just like this, and then I took my sponge and I started scrubbing it. Now you need to put in an effort when you're scrubbing it, so just scrub it till you feel like you've gotten what you need. Then I poured water on it, but right now it still has these black spots on it, so I decided to go 1 more time. And then guys, this is what it looks like. It still has those black spots, but it's better than before. I just wanted to show you guys like a realistic before and after, and this is what I have right here. Guys, it works. So guys, I hope you try it out. If you do, or if you've ever tried it out, comment in the comment section to tell me your experience, if it worked for you. And please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Guys, please subscribe, like this video, share within and outside your circle. And until my next video, do have yourself a wonderful morning, noon or night wherever you are. It's still your favorite content creator and fashion entrepreneur, Lara Savage, signing out.